Welcome back to Andes Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find items sold by Amazon. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Amazon, click the Start Here option. And just follow the on-screen instructions, then you're good to go. Now, to easily find items sold by Amazon on their website, you can follow these simple steps. If you are using your web browser, navigate to www.amazon.com or your regional Amazon site. You can also go to your mobile device and open the Amazon app from there. And now here, you can use the search bar at the top of the Amazon homepage to search for the product you are interested in. And then enter keywords related to the item you want to find. For example, I'm going to be searching for maybe a Bluetooth headset. Alright, a Bluetooth headphones it is. Now, after you perform a search, Amazon will display a list of products to specifically find items sold by Amazon and not third-party sellers. Look for the following indicators, okay? So here are some tips that you can refine your searching. All right, normally you can see something like ships from and sold by Amazon.com. The phrase will prominently displayed under the product title if Amazon is the seller, like this one, Amazon Basics Bluetooth wireless on-ear headphones. If you click on it, there's gonna be like an Amazon's choice as products labeled as or typically sold by Amazon and chosen based on high ratings and popularity. But the thing is, as you can see in this specific product, you can determine that by this deal is exclusively for Amazon Prime members. All right, so basically this is sold by Amazon themselves. You see, you can visit the Amazon Basic stores. That will lead you to another page. All right, so this is basically handled by Amazon themselves. That's one of the indicators. Now, the second thing is you can also explore the Amazon FBA fulfillment services for your e-commerce business. Okay, so basically, as you can see down here, it says it's a program that lets you outsource order fulfillment to Amazon and offer customers free 2-day shipping through Prime. By enrolling in FBA, you can send your products into Amazon's global network of fulfillment centers, and of course, they will pick, pack, and ship orders, as well as handle customer service and returns. If you wanted to get more of the items processed, sold, and handled by Amazon themselves, all right? Now, if you're looking for sold by Amazon, it means Amazon bought the stock from the brand or manufacturer and sells it directly to customers. Now, I have here the Amazon Vendor Central. If you don't have an account, you might want to sign up for free, which is an invitation-only platform for manufacturers and distributors who are looking to sell their products to Amazon as a wholesale supplier if you want to dive deep into what items are sold and handled by Amazon themselves, all right? And by following all these simple steps, you can easily identify and find items that are sold directly by Amazon on their website. It ensures you're purchasing directly from Amazon, which may affect obviously factors like shipping speed, return policies, and customer service experience. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.